If you trade crypto on Binance, you should always use a stop loss and take profit. They automatically close your trade to limit losses and secure profits. So let's begin. So open the trading screen first and choose the market. Open the Binance and go to trade and then spot. Select a pair, for example BTC and USDT. Then to create a stop loss, select the stop limit. So fill the fields: stop price, the trigger level, limit price, the actual sell price, and amount, how much crypto to sell. When price hits the stop level, Binance places the sell order automatically. And then to take profit, you need to choose limits, enter the higher price than your entry and the amount to sell. When the price reaches that level, your profit is locked in. And then you can also choose the one cancels the order method, which is the easiest. So you set stop loss and take profit. When one triggers, the other cancels automatically. So this is how you set the stop loss and take profit and manage risk automatically. If you've got any other ideas or maybe some requests about other tutorials that you wish us to make sure to let us know about that in the comments below. And thank you for watching, guys.